OnePlus Nor OxygenOS 10.5.9 update brings October 2020 security patch, game space features, more. OnePlus Nor has got the October security patch in the form of OxygenOS 10.5.9 for India and global variants. The OnePlus Nor also gets new game space features and optimizations like a new gaming tools box for convenient switches of Fnatic mode. Apart from this, the update also improves Bluetooth connection and network stability. The over-the-air (OTA) update for the Nor is being rolled out in a staged manner. The development has been shared on the OnePlus forums for the smartphones. OnePlus Nor OxygenOS 10.5.9 update. The OnePlus Nor update in India comes with version 10.5.9.a.c. as per the changelog on the official forum post. Apart from bringing minor tweaks that improve the Bluetooth connection stability as well as network stability, the phone also gets general bug fixes and improves system stability with the latest update. In EU, the phone is receiving v10.5.9.a.c. and globally, the phone is receiving v10.5.9.a.c. As mentioned, OnePlus GameSpace gets a couple of new features. GameSpace is nothing but a custom launcher for Android games on OnePlus phones. It has a gaming mode and Fnatic mode that improve overall gaming experience. The update adds a gaming tools box for convenient switches of Fnatic mode. This allows OnePlus Nor users to choose 3 ways of notifications: text only, heads up, and a third option to block them. There is also a new quick reply feature, but it is only for WhatsApp and INS. The company says that OnePlus Nor users can enable it by swiping down from the upper right/left corners of the screen in gaming mode. OnePlus has also added a Miss touch prevention feature. Finally, there is also the October Android security patch. As mentioned, the update is being rolled out in stages and will reach all users in a few days after the Chinese tech giant makes sure that there are no critical bugs. If you have not received a notification for the OnePlus Nor update, you can manually check for it by going to Settings System Updates. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.